Hello, my students. It is I, Professor Interesting, and... Oh no! Hello, my students. It is I, Professor Interesting, and Leah.
Hi, everybody.
Today, we are learning something very interesting. It's shapes.
Ooh, shapes.
Very interesting. And we'll start out with my favorite shape of all, the square. Yes, you see, a square has 4 sides. Just like this.
Professor,
Yes, and a square also has 4 points, like this.
Professor, listen, there's something I want to tell you.
Yes, you see, 4 points and 4 sides, just like this square.
Professor.
And this one.
Okay, this is really...
And this one.
Professor!
Yeah, yes?
Listen, those are not squares.
Oh, they're not?
No, those are circles.
Circles?
Yeah. You see, circles have no points, no sides. They are perfectly round, just like these.
Of course. No points, no sides, perfectly round? That is in circle. And squares have 4 points and 4 sides. Of course, I was thinking the square was a circle this whole time. Oh, thank you very much, Leah.
Oh, of course. Anytime, Professor.
But wait. What if one circle could be an overinflated octagon?
What?
That would make them more interesting.
Yeah. Professor. You come up with the silliest ideas.
I still don't get it.
Oh, me neither. Bye, everybody.